Welcome to the Menumium step-by-step tutorial series. In today's session, we'll learn all about the Menumium's menu management. Before starting this setup, make sure you've already completed the business setup and food setup, as these are the mandatory first steps. So let's begin. Click on Menu Management. All the food you've created will automatically be added to the default menu under the Default branch. The Edit Menu Food option appears on the right. Use it to edit the food items within your menu. By clicking the three dots icon, you'll find options such as toggling menu visibility and tools to view details, rename menu, edit menu food, or delete your menu. Click on View Details to see a quick overview of your menu. At the top, you'll find options like the status toggle and delete, along with details such as the creation date, assigned branches, total foods, categories, and subcategories. You can also view the complete food list here. If you select Edit Menu at the bottom, a new form will open where you can update menu details, including the menu name and branch name. By default, the menu is assigned to the default branch, but you can add another branch here. Once updated, your changes will appear immediately. You can rename your menu as needed and make edits anytime. Once you click the Edit Menu Food option, you will see all the categories with the food items you created during the food setup. Each food category has a green dot on the right, indicating that it is active. Clicking on the three dots will show you a status toggle to control the category's visibility. Let's toggle off this category status and confirm. When turned off, the green dot next to the category changes to red. Next, you can also remove the category from the menu. The result will be reflected below your menu. On the left side, you will find the option to edit the category list for your menu. Let's see what happens when you try to delete a menu. You will first see an instruction asking you to shift your branches to another menu, since the one you are attempting to delete is currently in use across several branches. Before deleting, you must select another menu for those branches. Otherwise, they won't be able to place orders from the POS. Since we only have one menu, let's attempt to delete it without assigning another one. As you can see, the menu cannot be removed because a branch cannot exist without an assigned menu. You can create multiple menus here. Let's create one alongside the default menu. First, type the menu name, then select a branch and click Create. You will see the new menu appear with all the existing food categories you created at the very beginning. These categories can be added or removed as needed. Once you click Save, the new menu will be visible. Now that we have two menus, let's try deleting the default menu again. The same instruction bar will appear. This time, select Menu 2 to replace the default menu so that no branch is left without a menu. Then click Choose and Delete. You can successfully delete it now. You'll see that the default menu is successfully deleted, and Menu 2 is now assigned to both branches. Congratulations, you've completed setting up your Menumium menu management system. Thank you for following along. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Menumium support. Happy serving!